principal at Otter Creek Middle School. This is one video in a series of 3 that will highlight some of the problems that we're hoping to solve with the building project at Otter Creek Middle School. At the end of this video, we'll provide information about a series of public meetings so that you can better understand our needs and current space, as well as the proposed building project. There are 3 areas our building project will focus on. 1, our cafeteria, which I will cover in detail in this video. 2, our music rooms, which I will cover in a future video. And 3, our gymnasium, which I'll also talk about in a future video. First, it's important to know a little bit about Otter Creek. Otter Creek Middle School is the 3rd largest school, behind North and South High Schools in Vigo County. It absorbed a significant amount of students when Chauncey Rose Middle School closed 8 years ago. This building used to be an elementary school and a junior high school, which is why there's separation between an old side and a new side. One of the things that we're trying to do with this building project is provide more classroom space. We have teachers who do not have their own classrooms, and they're sharing what used to be closets as offices during their planning periods. We simply don't have enough classrooms, and some reimagining of our cafeteria will help us with this. So this is our cafeteria space. We have a small and large cafeteria at this time. This large cafeteria space will be redesigned into classroom space. The small cafeteria will be extended into the courtyard a bit. It will be nice to have one cafeteria space. It will be easier to manage from a supervision standpoint, provide opportunities for flexible student seating, and will allow our cafeteria to become a multi-purpose space where students and staff can meet throughout the day for assemblies and other activities.
Join us for virtual community meetings on Wednesday, October 21st, or Wednesday, October 28th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. A link to a Zoom meeting will be provided, and you should visit tinyurl.com/OtterCreekRSVP to sign up for a meeting. We can accommodate a maximum of 200 attendees at each meeting, and you'll give feedback on options for the proposed renovation plan.